Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. I am Siti Mufattahah from Indonesia. I will present our research with the title Improving Universal Health Coverage by Analyzing Hospital Quality Parameters in Indonesia at the Asia E-Conference on Business Education, Social Science and Technology 2021. Now, I want to tell you a little about abstract of this research. This paper investigates the influence of hospital characteristics on patient preference within Indonesia's Universal Health Coverage, or UHC framework. Choice modeling is used to assess the effect of dominant factors on patient preferences between Java and Outer Java over 2 years. The dominant factors include distance, cost of health expenditure, and quality outcome. We focus on B class hospital, which are operated either by the state or through private or military institution. This result indicate that patient health access distance and delivering health quality providers like mortality rate, income group, and severity level significantly affect patient preference, especially in Java Island. The state hospitals are mostly selected by patients in Java, although this requires improvement in health quality. In Outer Java, improving the health service provider capacity is crucial to improve the attractiveness of UHC. The UHC is still a challenge for large country like Indonesia. The UHC must increase this access capacity and health service quality in order to achieve success in Indonesia. Next, I want to tell you about introduction of this research. That in 2004, Indonesia enacted law number 40 year 2004 regarding the national social security system, and henceforth has been a country with universal health coverage, or UHC. To run UHC, Indonesia created the Social Security Administrative Body, or BPJS, in 2014 as an independent government body to address this policy. To maintain the quality of a health service provider in the advanced care service, the Ministry of Health have introduced Ministry Regulation number 56 year 2014 for hospital classification and permits. This regulation classifies hospital into A class, B class, C class, and D class. An analysis of literature from 2004 onwards shows that the Ministry of Health have enacted more than 200 ministry regulation on guidelines and health standardization. Now, we discuss about research question. This study aims to investigate the USC implementation response on hospital quality through patient preferences. A case study of Indonesia's USC can contribute to the global evidence for understanding USC that requires equity in access, quality of health services, and financial protection as essential relative objective. This is according Bernales Baksai, 2020. About hypothesize, we hypothesize that the provision of healthcare will remain unchanged in the short term, and the healthcare service is driven by patient preferences. Next, about material and methods. Samples of USC patients and health service providers were supplied by the INA CBG's BPJS online system from 2015 and 2016. The INA CBG system is based on the Ministry of Health Regulation number 52 year 2016 on the Health Standard Service for Health Insurance Services, or HIS. About the technique analysis. In this study, we applied choice modeling with a random utility model. Alternative specific time invariant effect as suggested by HO in 2006 that represents to multinomial logit, or MNL. The sample were differentiated between Java and Outer Java. Therefore, we can estimate the utility model as described by Goodtaker and friends in 2016 using a maximum simulated likelihood for two separated sample estimation, or little r for Java and Outer Java. And then you can see about the formula of this research like this in this slide. You can see. And then next we discuss about the result. In this research, we have the result. You can see the table. In this table, you can see about hospital operation, such as public hospital, military hospital, and private hospital, with the variables like distance, cost, mortality rate, severity level, and income group. And you can see number of sample like this. This is all about sample from Java. And then next slide. This table you can see the same about the result about a sample of Outer Java. You see hospital reclassification of public hospital, military, and private, the same variables. And then you can see the total sample 100 more. Next, you can, in this slide, you can see in the red light box about variable distance. In fact, we get negative value. It means the most significant factor affecting USC patient preferences is health access, especially in Outer Java. This is confirmed by the result of tables 4, 5, and 6. The distance parameter shows that regions with more health service providers, such as Java, have improved patient preferences. This result is similar to finding of Moseley and friends in 2016, also Guteker and friends at the same time in 2016 that show the effect of distance on patient preferences. It also agrees with results from Chile and Argentina. Therefore, the USC will work effectively if health supply providers have good distributive capacity. Otherwise, if the supply system is weak, the market is imperfect and will reduce the benefit of USC. According Friedman and friends, 2019, that USC is not only about health treatment, but also the supply of health service providers. USC scheme is more attractive for patients in Java than in other Java. The lower coverage of USC membership and the appeal of USC is challenging. That is, improving health access and increase health services. Providers will improve USC patient preferences. Then, next, the last slide. Yeah, you can see. I will tell you about the conclusion. There are 3 points. Point 1. This study shows that the USC will be imperative in Indonesia. The lesson which can be learned from other economies is that fulfilling this policy should be supported by improving healthcare access and healthcare quality. Number 2, market access is the first step to introducing healthcare services. As seen in Java Island, that people increasingly use USC with increasing hospital capacity. Number 3, the government should prioritize Outer Java to improve the capacity of health service provider and to attract other market agents like as private sector. Improving the quality of health care is paramount to ensure standardization of the health care service, especially in Java. The USC will be ineffective if those factors are not coordinated. Okay, I think my presentation is all. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.